To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
Sitting by the bar, trying to slip away scars is the hardest thing to do, yeah. Now I'm puffing on a cigarette, hoping that I will forget the greatest thing was you. Trying to chill in my zone, feeling pretty slow. What else to do, yeah. Now I'm sipping on the strongest drink, hoping not to think about your pretty face. Oh, I wish that you were here. I can't go on, the feeling's wrong without my baby. I need my baby. I need my baby. I can't go on, the feeling's wrong without my baby. Baby, it's amazing our love work, ain't it? It's like I tainted the Mona Lisa painting. What we could have been, what we should have been, one for the ages. It was written, but I changed it. You telling me time and energy commit like felony, but lying was my remedy. Hey. Oh, I wish my mood swing never flip like light switch. Oh, I wish I never had time like this. I wish that you were here. I can't go on, the feeling's wrong without my baby. I need my baby. I need my baby.
Mga ba? Yeah, man. You know, say, I mean, I want to bridging go have a drink a while ago down the road there. I miss the shop there.
Not early?
I say, I'm not really early. Actually, for my boy, I go tell him, I'm going to be in same, I'm not even sure which part I'm going to be, but in same, I'm going to be, I want me anymore to drink before I left out. So, you know, I have to just run go down and go have a drink fast, and we can send me a forward back in that place, you know?
Oh, so you stop involving me.
No, not say that, don't say that, man.
Oh,
yeah.
Not already again.
No, me never say that neither.
No, but every time you go have a drink with your boys, then you know, call me like first time and say, come on, we are going to have a drink with your boys. Then just let our housewife know.
No, me never say so
Our
neither.
side, I mean.
No,
Yes,
don't. I put things in my head now, you know. Cause what you say no make no sense at all right now. What you mean? Cause you tell me about me I go a road left here one bag of something and your housewife. Yeah, we know your housewife,
no.
but yeah. So what? So what if you is a housewife? No good something.
Yeah, that's a good stuff, you know, but first time is to come here, but it seems like a child to come from the road.
No, me not sister neither. I mean, you see it. You see it.
You have a serious question.
Oh, serious? Wait, when I say serious, what do you mean by serious? Serious. Yeah, officer. No. Yes.
What if you did tomorrow, man? Don't have any girlfriends,
So let me ask you something now. What make your meds at then? What? Well, and the first thing, you hear what you just say? Your wife, I'm why in a house. What that simple mean? Your wife. Why me I go have a next girl?
Me ask her if me drop out, and that
No, you're mad.
2 days after or...
No, you're mad, man. Right now, to me see it. Are you alone more right now? Right? Promise you.
So if me drop out, then I have to one 3 days after.
Probably, me no want no eternity. Me no want no more than you know. So if you drop out, it makes sense. Me drop out, you know. Say two of you go drop out, you know. Even though you know things set, but yeah, but me no want nobody more than you right now. And you're there, so where your meds, you go drop out for.
Me have to think all little things.
Yeah.
In the back, out of the back.
Yeah, think too much of that.
No,
Yeah, think
so
too
much
much.
to think. When I will not think that we don't go through the sheet.
Here,
All kind of
here. Yeah. No say sometimes, you know like for your style. Cause here you go tell me say me go check woman now.
It's just a joke.
Fear joke then too serious sometimes, and you know, if I run joke with her, probably you catch heart attack. If me start run joke, no, I'm not run joke. When I go run joke with the fan now, I'm done tell you say if me make running, you go catch heart attack. But me no want dead. Me want you kill me, you know. You're mad. Judge God, so you good though. Me agree when I go watch to TV till. Alright, do your thing, man. Me there so. Babes, I have a remote controller there and the TV remote. I want to play some game, you know. In a real life.
You want to play a game?
Yeah. I have a remote controller.
You know,
there.
see you're selfish?
Oh.
You go to the road, you buy one controller and a two in your house.
No.
You go buy one.
You know how your meds are weird, man. Don't meds up.
Well, me
At
don't
the
know
time when me go buy the game, I one controller they have. And you see true, they have a latest Call of Duty me they want to play, so me they have to buy it.
you did have to buy
Yeah,
it.
me they have to
You should
buy
have
it.
make it here.
Oh.
Because you know, say me, you know, say, you know what I talk about it. You know, say other day, me just had some weird dream, like,
So you not buy cash fat?
no, like me, I see some things on TikTok, like last day, like today gonna be a last day or whatever. I mean, have some bad feelings. We just want to know if me is on the right track, you know. Because from what me feel like, say, yeah, drop off a track, you know, the track, and me, I feel some type of way, like, me don't know, like, me not alright, me don't feel comfortable in myself.
Judge. So making us tell more upon your mind then. Tell more upon your mind.
You don't
We
tell
can't.
me what it's on your mind.
No,
Me
what?
don't tell you what it's on my mind. Ask
Yeah,
you question in the
but
kitchen.
listen. Me you ask me question in the kitchen and me hear you say something a while ago. Come like you're premium and that side or somebody tell you something about me where me no know about, you know.
Nobody
Cause
not tell you.
yeah, but you from what you realize face style now you start accuse for no reason. Or you start say certain things when don't make no sense and that me I try tell you say cause you worry about if me I go give you bun this and that. Me know that you worry about, you know, but no. Me tell you before and I tell you again. Are you alone right now? Me and meds.
You said me alone right now.
Me
you
and
are
meds. Me not meds
That
nobody
means
else. Me not meds nobody else. Are you alone upon mine right now? As me tell you before, me no want nobody else.
I must say make one promise.
Yeah, me make you promise to you so we are talk like say yo, me do something as me make you promise me do something.
Never said that.
Then now
But
you
it's
make
just
it.
that you just start selfish.
No, no selfish.
You not move like
And
yourself, you know.
Georgie, you hear what she has said, Georgie? Listen good. What? What you mean then?
You know what? It's alright. You remote the controller, me hide it.
You hide
And
it.
you not go play no game until you get the next
Yeah, yeah. So you try to tell me say me in a local zone now
Yeah,
and
go
me no fi Gotcha. So you go still, you know.
Either behind the couch. Me go like
Leave worry one playing a game and I corrupt my meds already. Georgie. Yeah, that is something that she talk say.
Thank you. Me no know what happened to me from what day, you know. It's like I am not a dreamer, you see? And from what day me I get some weird dream. Like me just not feel comfortable in my own body. Like me feel like me I go pass off or something. Because me I just
No, that dream that we get about. What the dream is like you go pass off?
that's how me feel for true. That's how me feel. Me not even know what to do. Tell the truth. And then me have to get off to board because I realize him a move sideways for our day, you know. So me have to get talk to him and let's see what really and go on.
So what I mean by move sideways? You might give a problem.
He now carry me a road like one time again. He go by controller and by one controller. What kind of style that day? Everything I always me and him. Like him a drop shot and him a grown corner with it.
Alright, listen to me. You only have one life. And we have to live it to the fullest. You see, in the dream that where I get you can't then the dream the other half with like that. Girl, I have to live it to me. That's it. A real world, a real life reality life.
Yes,
You
then
understand?
Pinky. Me a hear but it sound like your phone gone down low.
Yeah, man, this service will allow and be service for other day. You want to storm up but you hear me I say no. You can't then so and then hold it. You have stress out the little thing and now you just have stress out and you force the whole bit to girl. And you hold that them in the marriage party. But you so long married and
Yes,
settle down.
we said that.
So why you stress him out now?
Nah, stress him
So
out.
remember say in our relationship, you know, everybody have their what God at the end, you understand?
Yes.
And you want time for yourself. Them a take the time for yourself. And I like say my job distance for you.
What kind of time you want for yourself? If you know you want time for yourself, you never pick up woman in the first place.
No, you can't. Remember say no. And every time now I reach I'm gonna touch the first I'm gonna touch. Sometimes they want free time.
Me understand that. Me understand when you give me space when you're ready. Me give me space.
Okay then, that is not the dream. What is the dream where you turn everything upside down?
Because the dream, it feels so real. It feels real, girl. Like me, I tell her like a real life.
In your body. They are tell you. You need to take your mind off and just pray to God. And anything that come your way, you ask God to rebuke it and send it back to the sender. Because look what is the devil dreaming to you.
How would that?
Huh?
You understand?
You don't know
So
it,
just
right?
take it.
No, me ask you how would that. Me not have to know if I say if me ask you how would that.
Well, I'm on the phone with Pinky. Yeah, problem.
No like how you deal with me attitude from what day, you know. Watch out, me I touch the road and I go link up one of my friend them, you know, cause
Which one
you
your
see
friend them?
the rasta me normally par with.
So what time you plan to come back?
No, really.
Because you feel like me need more time with you. Me daily I get time with you. Me not get no attention.
I'm so forward, man. Me just circle him. Me and him want work to go up and so me I go link him, hold a reason with him, and then circle back.
You see?
You see,
Heal up your friend. Heal up your
Not
friend.
dramatize no man. Not dramatize me any man.
I get to you and a traumatized man.
I'm a dramatize myself. Think you later.
Alright,
Me a cook.
easy, yeah?
Aye. Hold on, man.
Funny how we would risk it all for a dream.
Yeah, man, so
funny how
I'm money
you
to deal with,
was
man. I have to
getting
start with money. How much money you have?
just to
Eh?
be happy.
Hello.
So, Baba, you good?
No, I'm gonna talk to you.
Yeah. Yeah, well, everything will work out, man. Alright. Alright, cool. Listen, Baba.
I want to talk to you. I want to start out something I want to know if you can.
Help you?
Yeah. I want to go for passport. I feel about passport and something. I want nothing like 1 month. I want to try there.
The right way. All you have to do is just know, say, you know, the money have for sure.
What do you mean my money for sure?
What mean? So you come to me, come check me because I'm your family.
Yeah.
To help you. But
Yeah.
I bet say if you ain't go check somebody else, you go start out your thing and have the money ready. Eh? But tell you this, man. After a long time, I don't like you, I don't know something like you. So it's not that case where you have to go find out them something. Have the money, man. A business me do. You love whole long family too much, man. Why is it that your father so now don't?
You know, say he's a dirty brother for a long time. If I don't have the money, what am I going to do? Who am I come
Go
to?
and go look work. Come work with me then. If I come with the case. Me tell you to come work with me and you forward. So, why case now? Want me a dirty man because I'm not help you and give you everything we need?
Nah, I'm not work with you because you're not, nothing what you do, not legal. I'm not work with you.
What do you mean I'm not illegal? Eh? You ever see police coming from my place yet?
All the while, what you not there?
What do you mean say all the while what do?
Anyway, it's either you want you drop me for the passport office. You can do that?
You have to buy every 1,000 again.
So you don't do nothing for nobody without them giving you something?
You do nothing for nobody without them give you something?
All the time.
Eh? Even the last man I mean you have. Eh? You don't give nothing you want. So, eh?
You're good? What are you watch my business?
I watch I am a sister so words that don't come to my ears, you know, simple and free.
How that all come to your ears?
Are you national? Are they going to
Me come to tell us them why you carry me for the passport office. And I don't have any money, so nobody come talk, but me have to begin $1,000.
I can't give you a loan because of the case. So you have to give me 10% for it.
So you lend me $1,000?
No, 1,000. You say you want the passport. You think I told you the passport?
Ah.
How you born? Back of God? Eh?
Back of you.
Back of me?
Mm-hmm.
Back of me, back of your ma. Let me tell you something. Do that first, because I have to start with some business.
If you ever lend me money, you lend me money.
I know today.
And when?
I can't today. You can't forward today.
But I go tomorrow.
Alright, hopefully this a person I talk to can start out and you can get through to get what you want to get. Yeah? And after the favor you're done, there's no more in store. You get it?
No need them more because guess what? I go do what me for day. Yeah. And
So
give back your money.
So if it's solar. Any gain where you gain, me a gain from it? I gain from it.
What do you mean I get 10%? What do you mean I gain from it?
Everything. You trick me already now, trick me again. Take time going now.
What me trick you? When?
Take time going now.
What me trick you? So you want me, sir? I want to talk to you still.
But you want to go?
What do you mean? Something else.
Yeah. Yeah, I want to take cash. Cash. Yeah. Only cash. Yeah. Yeah, man, if it's
Like, free me G.
May I go, yeah?
you there, man, you good? Okay, I'm a call this now. But responsible. Hey, yeah. So show me up here. Yeah, man, take cash. I'm telling you before.
Go on.
I'm there, brother. Everything good?
I want to talk to you now.
Huh?
Serious talking, man. Serious talking, bro.
Alright. Yeah, man.
Really want to
By 4
talk to
o'clock, you
you.
can drop it. By 4 o'clock, you can drop it off right at the same place, man.
Come here, go with a drink, dog.
Yeah, alright. So 4 o'clock, you
Let me go with a drink.
Listen, listen. Will I drink?
Yeah,
That's
dad.
the first time, brother.
Wow.
That's the first time long time, you know.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm tell you something. Yo, certain people might even have them style certain
You know
women.
them way the guy girl shouldn't go along saying you youth. The bartender shouldn't go and say no youth.
Brother,
A
man, like when them
foolishness
go on,
in a
them
youth.
style me certain way, brother. Eh? how she want to talk like him talk loud to me. Eh? Who she think she be? And see me
No.
did that for one reason now, and the girl come go on like
Go on
this,
like-
come show up himself. Eh?
But when I time in all my mind come off for a reason, me and a reason me and mama start talk to you certain way, you know, my friend. I mean I said no sir. It's like you do or something or
Yeah,
she have up your
have me
for
up for
something.
something.
Wait. And it look like you don't even know about where she have you up for now.
You know that me I say man. That me I talk about, you know. Different. I will say one reason about. I want to go on. Everything I do, I do.
My youth. I feel my girl down there, my youth. The girl just get to my brain, my everything is like she start accuse me of certain things. If me I play my game myself. Me say me I go just take a walk. And me say me I go link you. You talk link me now. You just start link up with a friend them and now give me no attention like one time and me did them me I say, how are you pray? Where say me can't go out and something about now. Me turn her in a horse rat. Me no want to bring her a road
So what
again.
she want? So what she want? She want to go a road, go jiggle up himself? That she want to go jiggle up himself?
Brother,
Eh?
I same thing me a meds. But watch now, you see true, me know say a woman and me know for them style, me dey even put her upon my brain, cause what? Me love her and don't get me wrong, you know, my G. Me love her, but watch now, man, love alone can't do it, my friend. Me have to go out, go hustle. And at that, she don't understand. Say, when me a go link you, a girl me a go link. But
That she say? I wonder if she do things. Sometimes when a person guilty enough, them operate, you know, that me I tell you, you know. Because them understand some man need to, you know, relax themselves. That's so some have left that one them.
brother, you know long me no smoke a good ganja spliff. She get to my brain, brother, me a feel about ganja. Me a feel about ganja. Me no like them sitting there make me just a pray, make me pray different now, like, you see exact what she a say? You look like me have a next girl, you look like me have to go get a next girl, or more than one, cause what? First thing you know she a go say to me, she a get dream. And what if she did dead and one bag of something? Me a did there, me a
No man somebody that brother. If you think about death and you live. Live! And stop thinking about death and them something, eh?
brother,
Or she
brother, right
psychic.
Right now, as me there between me, as me there, my G, come like say, yo, a stress for myself and for everything what me I do. Cause she no stop stress me. She no stop accuse me of things, my friend. And at that, me say, I have to come and talk to you.
You see why I'm living with a woman? Cause
Brother,
a woman run my thing, cause that's how they want to run a show, you know. You answer me, I say, no, that's the only thing a woman feel like she be doing in a man's life. Control him. When God when I make woman, he take out piece of the ribs and push you aside and say, woman, but you make you tell you what to do right now. Don't pay her no mind.
brother, you know,
Yeah,
me, you know me and meds. Me and the girl they come from far, brother.
Sure.
And this a little sitting here, my youth, she even get to it. Me I play my game by myself, you know. Or more play my game by myself, you know. Mama say, well for her controller there. She hide the controller with me if you use play a game now. Hide all the TV remote. The only thing I can do is turn on the TV. I can't program it to the channel where me want it on.
Yeah. I just soon 4 o'clock right now. Where there now? Yeah man. You call it man. My father, just, yeah. I give us much time, you know. Yeah. Alright. You want me to do, man?
You say I push.
Yeah, me I push. Take time go here, man, and just make you man control. Oh, we link up together, man. See? But I call it the money and start. See, sir? How it up?
Right now, I'm not even ready for go, you know. I go just walk around here so. So if nothing, I call a bird.
Wonder if me a overthink. But him did a call me for. Me and them not agree, no. So I don't want none of them call me phone. Be a family drama. Me we have to see. Hello.
Hey,
Yeah,
say,
what?
yeah, talk about what happened. Me say, did I call me? What you say?
Oh, yeah. Alright, so you are going to know. You know, say, we want to have a little family get together and go around the place, maybe don't give her something. So, they are saying, you must have make a time and forward.
So, what tell us somebody interested?
Yeah, because as a family get together and sometimes we realize that we don't put man over family, you know. So sometimes now we put man one side and focus on family.
So, who tell us I'm put man over family? Yeah, because I don't have too much dirt to waste and love chat people. Make me stay far from no and left far around no and go build my own family.
No, sometimes yes, yes. This man, you can't choose the family where you're born in, you know. You only can choose the one where you make. So you not choose me. So therefore you are your family.
So when I decide to
You
play,
understand?
when is this trip?
Well, we are organizing, you know, we don't concrete for the ticket. So as soon as we organize it, we call you and make you know.
So
We
which
just
part
want
of
to
trip
know
I
say you
go?
come so we can put you on the list.
Me tell her if
Eh?
me decide my mind.
Alright, me go put you down, me go put you on the list.
But me never give a fair answer.
This is the man, bus, we are going to take you, man, and we have to know how much people are going to come for the trip.
Alright, me I come. But which part of trip
Alright,
I
so
go?
you come like you know, listen to nothing me I say. When I tell us that don't throw we are go.
Oh.
Alright, yeah man, so you're right when you, so me call you back and get when everything comes.
Alright.
Alright.
Alright. If I never family get together, I will come home. Family get together, I come. Like me later know someone get together. Me together.
Well, go on.
I feel go on, not now go on.
So you look so.
Alright.
Sissy, alright.
Uh,
Mrs. Alright, how are?
Mrs. Say you alright. Think around my weed.
Rum and weed. I once split my bun from
Are you strong for yourself?
I don't know what to tell you say.
Anyways, when my uncle just called me and said we have a family get together to go, but then a concrete date yet as yet, and being as you have, being as you enjoy your own self, and have yourself time face. I decide to me go and enjoy myself, cause yeah, I want to enjoy myself too, cause you want to enjoy yourself. Every day I come up in a house, like a housewife.
No.
So I go with them, enjoy myself, and then me come back. But me tell them say you're not gonna come back. You know say you're not gonna come.
So how you know say move forward? A normal priest, that's a normal priest still, you know. You can go and enjoy yourself. Have your little alone time with yourself as way I say, you see me? Cause right now, to tell you the truth,
you really need this space.
no,
Because I realize that from what you feel like me Anna you. Every time you did it with me, you want to stay with yourself. That means me Anna you, so me give you space. Whatsoever you want.
whatever me want to do. Jaja. Sometimes actually you don't even understand. Sometimes you just right now you just make right now I hit your start the now, you know. Annoy me. Cause what you tell me say. You tell me say you want alone time. Cause when me
So my uncle just text me at tomorrow. So I leave there early tomorrow.
no, mom, no say no. You can go on, man. Enjoy your day, enjoy your time, enjoy your family reunion or your family get together or your family this or your family that. You can enjoy yourself. How my son?
Like you're jealous. You didn't want to come?
Jealous? No, sir. Go me tell you, say you can go on. I'm okay. I'm gonna be here. by myself, playing video game, and just chill. Probably I call my friend and we get together as well, because remember I have friends as well and I can.
Friend get together.
No,
Yeah,
yeah.
man, I see a long time I want me left, you know. I see the
So-
procedure.
no.
So as me tell us, me I go go with my family them. You just you want me go here so you and your friend then can go party and drink and have
No,
fun.
but
Get it
no,
back
listen me
and
now,
whatever
listen me
you
now,
want.
listen me now, listen me now. I'll need to make me talk in a car.
Alright, talk.
Me realize say you know, when you stick on a point at this, so you there, you know, move from this and when me want to try to tell you, boy your meds wrong. So if your brain in a gutter, you take it out and put it back in your head cap. Cause me realize say you know, you just start accuse me of certain things where like I do something. Mind if you do what you tell me say me I do.
Anything you want thinking of your brain or your business. I mean, no say I'm not doing anything. I mean, no say from what day I'm not alright. I mean, I try to get myself together and I can't get myself together, but I just feel like something might go wrong.
Tell you man, you keep the part that to yourself, you know, cause you see bad omens sometimes can't manage you know. You tell me boy something will go wrong, something will go wrong. From morning, you just depend on me case, something will go wrong, something will go wrong. So what if you go wrong? If you don't go wrong already, you don't go wrong again. So me know want you feel like say something will go. One day if I ball you ball long, something will go wrong for me. Make from morning you tell me about
Me, want to do something to you?
no, but two from morning you tell me
Go
about
back on
something.
the road. Go back on the road. You know, when I say so, where you come here from? You should have stayed on the road a little bit more longer. Me have only my things for my brain.
You alone
And me
have
have
things
a bag
for your
to
brain.
go pack. So go have a drink with your friends.
No, so I'm not ready yet right now. Let me feel for do it right now. I want to sleep.
Listen,
You
listen.
cook- you cook?
No, me don't cook. I'll me not do it. Hello. You know, look at me.
Me I look for you.
Then I tell you,
Me see you go a river or sea or somewhere.
you know, so yeah, move so.
Oh, me a move.
Yeah, move like. What if today last day, yeah? So yeah, move. I say I want me left out the house.
From what day
I
me
say
hear
I
you
want
chat.
remind me say I say you left out some America, Ghana,
No. You know say adapt me not like with you now. Adapt me not like with you now. From what day me hear you funny. The last day business. Watch out, man. Nobody have the foolishness in you. See if you come talk to me decent. Nobody tell me about no last day. Last day what? You go have fun with your family. Me no say no. Only thing me say. You can go on. But I mean, I know you pick up yourself and put on this and you see you want to go river and you can't reach a river you put on it. No, who you want to see you?
I river we are go. Everybody in their bathsuit and everything.
Then tell us they in them bar suit
Me
for
know
now.
how my family
You
they
know
go
your
river.
family then go
I
river.
saw we wear clothes.
That's
So
how
when
we
we go
wear
to
the
river, we
clothes.
don't have time to change. All the time we change, all the time we don't swim and then we go swim, then we go change. Why problem?
No problem
So
is
we
there
good
at all.
enough people still now go see me.
Me say no problem is there at all. Me want if you couldn't wait till I reach a river you put on this. Adapt me say.
And me say no.
Alright, then argument, we argument.
No, you start it.
argument.
Chocolate.
I know I'm a prayer. Where
Is
you
it
want
yours?
wear? No.
Now go over with me. Yes, so you're not coming. Yes, so you're your friend. They more chill. So what problem now?
No problem
You
is
want
there.
that problem?
No problem is there.
You know, like, so you're happy and comfortable. I just like.
Let me ask you one question.
Laba.
Let me ask you one question. I'm here river where you come to. I'm here river where you come to. You just no. Me not this so. Me not style.
Me as a woman come to you and say, come me look.
Because you just come and say and it's like an argument you look from me. Then I can't talk so loud. You notice how me talk?
I'm too under my voice.
You're looking beautiful. You can go now.
Really? Anyway, you just still gonna send me money from again?
How you say I go again?
That not have nothing with you.
How you say I go with?
So what that have to do?
All
You're
right.
not supposed to have me money, said we.
Then me not say you don't have money.
Me not have no money. That's why I did ask you last night for the money, and you say you're gonna give it to me when me I leave out. So me I leave out now.
I remember if you go eat. I remember if you try.
Then send it to me card. Send it straight to me card. Guy bank send it straight to me card. Simple.
Alright. Me send it to your card. Me
How
not
long you want to take?
me not have to go to the bank. You know line long.
Alright, so come me the phone same time.
No, me send the money. Me send the money. Me not.
Oh, say no, nobody see me here.
No.
You don't want nobody know see me here deal again. Alright. So no hug. No.
But
Alright, Bobby. It's okay, Bobby. Can I make sure I stay? I still remember.
sure say I some remember you.
Yeah.
Try make sure say I some remember you. Take your time and go on. Come tell us say something wrong with you. Either you chip or you lick your head or something there. Take your time and go on. But if I some me I go remember you. So that's why I'm telling you, that's why I have to go start listening to my friend. You know. And you see me deal listen to them, this will not reach me. I want to have woman in my house live with me. I know me can't believe you. Red wine, you know. They are drinking so fast.
Fast, I go and fast. Yo, a deal.
So what go on for your career?
Hurry up, man.
Mm.
My career always up, brother.
Mm.
So my things set. You know what I mean? That life set away where if you don't make a career work for you, career go work you out. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Money we say, brother.
No, they ain't one day for you.
Where, yo, how you feel when you say you want gone and your family? But I take a long time to make it gone.
Brother, right now, me feel good now. We can make all the vibes in that place. I true, me can't find the remote or the controller. No, me not done on the game. No.
I tell you, brother, life is great.
I'll know me not find them. No.
Look what you say.
Girls are jugs.
Girls are just, brother. You my God.
Judge
God.
God.
Right now, rubber season. You know, you have to be up cause soon Christmas. You know the vibes there? Yeah, man, I'm going to bring up on to move.
No, man.
What you want me to do? Me don't make you sit in a car and drive the car, brother. Because I
Oh.
can't run out and rate it.
Oh, then me nobody now see me face.
Nobody knows your face.
Alright.
A simple thing, man.
Then from then now see me face. Me
Yeah.
alright.
What me go to do, I got to see me can tint the car. I mean, the tint the car problem. You understand what I say?
So when you say you carry nothing,
No, the car was tint.
so me a driving that
Alright,
way.
here what you need to know. Yes, when you have a car, you buy a car, you drive it and tint to 1-2 months. The police is there, feel it. And police now have to stop you when camera say there every day.
No, they're yeah.
So what going on is that when you do that now, go on. Yeah, but right on
Mm-mm.
brother, you can't come go.
Yo, what's that man? Nobody had a foolishness, man.
Yeah, that brother, what kind of vibes they are set them? I can't buy vibes that bill, brother. One back, brother. I told you now one for me. No matter say go.
Nobody had a foolishness, man. I'm telling you right now. To a woman that chest me, my friend, me have to drink whole heap. About 3 buckle me the buy now.
So you can't really done. Huh?
Remember some man too long left ya. So me can't call her when she there.
As me has said before, when you have a car, you have to drive it 2 months make police can see your face tonight. So they know say I feel. You understand me? I say you drive around in a place and group, supermarket, market, you know what I mean, to a food club and you know, and see and know say after that you think it's dark.
I true no boy.
So them can't pray you, them know say all that.
I that the man they kind don't know say.
I tell you, G, I say things set, brother. I don't know more than so. So you have to do it then with the brother where you as I said, I bring it for the work. I mean that. Right now, the passport thing now work for me. No.
You know, say last your phone me do active
Yeah,
right
tell the
now.
brother.
Active. Cause right now, you see boat lights so your phone me. Right now I'll look a small island them me there I do look a
Little
deal
thing.
and something.
You know that, man?
You see
But
me?
the thing is with that now, you see brother used to do that to me, then fall out and
Jaja.
Cause them I try to tell me say boy you want more money than I said last year price a different price.
You love rum too much man. Oi, me you get the same amount of rum, you know. What me call over here for?
And that no one accept where you come back. Me a reason you buy one bottle. Brother you can't tell me when I buy a bottle and fall in.
Then it's not too late. It's not too late. It's not too late.
It's later now man, come now money to spend. That me I tell you.
So the money but money I fall, me sure no you never buy. Me sure no you never buy nothing. You know, say my woman they give me the teddy bear and she give me just.
Watch it now.
I'm lucky teddy bear.
Lucky which teddy bear.
Judge, a judge. You mean? A judge. I'm a lucky teddy bear this my yo. Right now this a teddy bear be a good news me get when me holy, you know.
Alright.
Be a good things happening, you know.
In Jamaica, when something go wrong, what do you say? Oh, the monkey. What you do, monkey? If you sleep with monkey, I ride monkey. Monkey is not a good thing, brother. Start this and bring
A lie I tell. Oi, me I tell her say. You see from tell us mama buy me to come like say only thing where she buy me when me appreciate. You see when me and me and Judge a reason, you know. Cause me have to reason with down to the animal when I move nor walk nor talk, you know, me a reason with no cause she just make me head. Like me start mad cause she a give me things mad out over.
You about gully monkey.
So we have to every day monkey first you tell me about monkey who do this to monkey and now you tell me about gully monkey. One to gully monkey.
I can't see even pay for that. Expensive phone you have man. You see like you have missed call.
Yeah, miss call.
Our car.
No.
Boy, you terrible boy. Woman gone and a woman a call. Call
Me no know.
Call him back. Brother, yo.
Me no know.
Call him back, brother.
Come here, call.
Call him back. Call him back, brother. Ask me if he's a friend, brother.
But me no know how me go know how.
Call back.
Suppose I'm a woman a call me for somebody number.
Call back, come on, brother.
Judge. Hello. Sister, me did get a missed call from the number here.
Yeah, man.
Come on, man. What you say?
I have a bad news to tell them, and you have to start with the search with that one, yeah.
Bad news.
Yeah, man.
How would this again?
And what's your share?
Share me hear the name there already, you know.
So few people in farm customers.
You want to? You don't know say you're a woman.
What happened to my woman?
Drop off at us, fall and pass out. You know, make it.
A liar tell.
Why am I telling a lie, brother? I see the crowd in me and say, oh man, what's one? I will stop off, you know, rush down and take her out, you know. But all the shit in the shit car, dead brother, dead man. I'm not joking.
Good.
Hello. Yeah, wow. you call me for? Me don't do business already. Leave me alone now, no? Huh?
Zephaniah, you take me, Zephaniah, listen to me. A long time I know you, you take me money. You take me money, you charge me too much money to look for passport. Zephaniah, you really take me money and give me fake passport. Let me tell you something, Zephaniah. Me want back my money if me don't call police for you.
Wow.
What you do?
Call police for you. Call police for me, call back police for you. So you got the backdoor deal. What do you mean? Me not listen to me. What happened? How much me charge you? 150,000. No, that. Oh, you. If you carry go court, me carry go court, make you know say you're an idiot. Cause how dare you? Okay, you can't read. What? Who drunk? Drunk on your granny. Boy drunk. Huh?
If a war y'all make it start, and you go war with the wrong person, I'm not joking, it's not put my money, you know. You act like I want tacky in my youth. You give me fake passport, and that's why when they call us, we say, the whole of the street, they call you.
For what?
And you ignore the call.
So when you done business already, we have to ignore business. When you done the business already, business done. So you can't have your business and do your other business and leave my, yo, I'm telling you this, man. You make things sound like say that no sense. Because you see, people like you for you can't read and you don't. And you ask me to fill out a passport form. That's 100,000 by itself. Eh? You think I'm me make you go to school and can't read? Eh? I mean. Pass which place? Don't place, don't pass. Eh? You! Remember say I'm me write the name. And you not even know if I spell a blinking name. Eh? You see S and I put C. Eh? With the... Me I come here too. Look I come here. Look up at us. Me have no money to present to you, yeah? Go present it to your granny. Boy. Yeah, me I tell you where your granny, where your one teeth granny, where your teeth for the input head. Listen to me. Yo, leave me alone, man. You do your business. It's something left like. You see. Pay do a visit. Pay me a visit. Eh? Go visit your granny. Oh. Me no business no hard work for it. I want hard work for. Leave me alone. Yeah? Me do business. I want to do man. Come on, my phone, man. Go away from me in my bed. I'm in bed, me there sleep. You know what I mean? Yeah. I want your Bex. Your Bex come in on bed. Eh? Your Bex come in bed as big and for you. Go ahead. Yeah, big, hey, you see you? Kill with lick. You know what them lick? Eh? Go away from junk dog. You, after, gone. After me help this dunce bat. Eh? Me help this dunce bat write his name. He not even know which part to put in. Who is a call me back? Hello, don't call my phone.
I pray. No, some there. Really? Yeah, come give me a link. I want one pray for sure, you know. No, sir. No, sir, I'm alone there at the moment, you know. Yeah. No, man. No, my boy say I come give me a link when done same way, so that's why I'm say if you come give me a link no, because that the man don't link me till a certain time, you see me? The best time I know if you come give me a check. Yeah. Alright. 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 You may wait for me now. Ah.
Sitting by the bar, trying to slip away scars is the hardest thing to do. Yeah. Now I'm puffing on a cigarette,
Hold on.
hoping that I will forget the greatest thing.
Hold on.
What you mean?
Trying to chill in my zone, feeling pretty slow. What else to do? Yeah. Now I'm sipping on the strongest drink.
I don't understand you. I can't understand you.
You can't understand.
What you mean, Uda? You don't just call me so oh yeah, act like.
But remember saying you alone I come on me yard, you know.
What I supposed to mean that I'm me alone come here?
No, mommy I'm a friend them to research me more while.
Oh?
Yeah. Library.
No, the emergency. From them long time they when we did actually think say we did I do something and I not hear nothing from you. You not call and all of a sudden now you just a call and say, come
Yeah,
on,
I
pop.
thought like saying you know say me there more man. You go and like say me dey explain that to you and something. Like that got a business, huh?
You never talk like you and her serious. When they just give me the impression like you and her did in a something and they want to break up. You never make me know say it is official. So she live here so with you?
No, not anymore still, I know. In real life, but me there I say me want give a shout to give a reason and thing, you know. So,
Alright.
so how your day go so far still? No, me have to make sure say me catch up on your day same way. You know.
Strange. My good still, my good, I'm here.
What's strange about it?
From the last time I see you. You remember which time I see you?
Yeah.
And you look at me with a side eye and I look at you act like you don't even know me.
No, I don't know, me act like me don't know, but me go for a reason, another reason them go for say, you know, say if me dey say me account link here, you know, you me dey account link, but you me go for talk about business. Yeah.
You and the man I see you with in a business?
What do you mean by it's in a
You
business?
see you got talk about business and me ask if
Yeah,
you...
me and him go talk about business, me and him in a business.
Where you know him
go talk
from?
about business, I'm a friend for a long time, from me young and I don't know me and him apart certain years still, I know like, yeah.
So, if you and him are such a friend, you never curious what me I do I talk to him?
Not really, because I know say a good boy and you know you not go over it, you know, over and boundary certain way.
Me not understand what you mean by that.
But what I'm sure you pray. You see the yard there, when I go, I'm see you. The truth, me know say a family yard, me leave it to me now, because I know the family alone not appear this a certain way. Only time me go there when me make a call him and he tell me saying they want my certain thing.
So me and him are family then.
You don't know, and you tell me you know.
You say like yeah, that family are so support.
Yeah,
So
a family yard that so me know that they from me younger, so me can tell you.
so oh you don't know if me and him are family.
I don't know because me never dare check up in background. I'm an English.
Anyway, yes, I'm a family link here. What is the link
I
about?
can't call them, I can't tell them to call him. I can't call them.
I never said no, but it just was weird because remember, you know, we had a one-time thing and then you just cut the link. So, hello. Well, where your woman there? Can we just establish say you have your woman now? So where she there?
No say, no say she was dead though in a real life though. And they are no more.
What do you mean by that?
You go family.
Hi.
Family reunion, or whatever I want to name. And me get a call here say she dead.
How?
Name did me get a call here say she dead. Jump off the cliff and make it back, you know.
Let me tell you something. You see you? You see the first time I meet you, you're full of charm and lie. I don't believe you. Where's your woman? Cause you could have the woman, but she gone out with her family. You invite me here, you know. I mean, in a foolish with nobody. Where your woman there?
You can go check for her then. Cause me I tell her thing I used to come like say they go through one of your ears and come back to you next.
We can check for somebody who I don't know.
Yeah, that I think about it. She not there here no more, so you can't go check Eve if you need to check. You know, understand?
And when that happen? When all of that happen?
So them get the cost, you know. Why? So them may get the cost, you know.
What? Your woman just passed out today and you come here for tonight? Where you take me from? No one to know. I saw you just jump out of something and jump in or something.
Me ask you one question. You said that
But you could have come out to work, come talk to me.
no, but
One.
no man, that lead them on the edge of it. Edge of it. Edge of it.
I don't understand you, you know. I don't understand you. You just want to pop in and out of my life. Your woman dead today. And you want me come here to come talk to you. Why you never meet me at and talk to me?
So you have guests tonight, yes, don't know what it is. Sometimes I just start scam manipulate you.
Yeah.
That's one, I know. But they are going to hold faith. Anyways, in real life, the main reason why I'm called over here and I'm talking, I'm called over here for nothing, I'm called over and talking. I don't want to be a thing like a thing doing. You know, you feel like, say, you know, you have to talk to your friend what day too, but the 2 months of things are going right now. And as I tell you, say, but day when I see you, I show me the link. My brethren at the nails. They're not going to feel certain way, you know. But today I know something. And I talk, we call it talk still, you know.
And that is the last time until we end up in a bed. I mean, and I finish this time, you know.
What did you get me last time again? Remember I said we did drink, you know. Like that, you know. Yeah, drink. We not drink nothing now. We just a normal.
Typical Jamaican man. I always blame everything for drinking.
So you blame everything for so you try to say I just nature so we stay. No, we are drink at night, and that's why that we reach this. So we not drink now, we normal. And as me I tell you before, I just want to talk be things that go through my brain and I don't know who to call to express certain things, you know. Yeah, that's why I'm shouting and I real like right now. My life come like you go down. You know go up like one time. And
You got everything?
mm,
One day, so-called friend, I could have called him and talk to him.
my thief, you know, right now I can't manage him because this is my business and because you see thief, they have you see him and everybody a friend, you know. So I don't want to tell him certain things and then he carry back a road certain way, you know.
Too late, sir.
Don't get me wrong, you know. I rate him as my chief too, you know. That's what I'm
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Sitting by the bar, trying to slip away scars is the hardest thing to do, yeah. Now I'm puffing on a cigarette, hoping that I will forget the greatest thing was you. Trying to chill in my zone, feeling pretty slow. What else to do, yeah. Now I'm sipping on the strongest drink, hoping not to think about your pretty face. Oh, I wish that you were here. I can't go on, the feeling's wrong without my baby. I need my baby. I need my baby. I can't go on. should have been one for the ages. It was written, but I changed it. You telling me time and energy commit like felony, but lying was my remedy. Hey, oh, I wish my mood swing never flip like light switch.